Today we're at the El Cortez in their Vintage King Suite. This is a cool vintage option on Fremont Street at the El Cortez. You have these shag carpets and this lovely sectional and chair with the vintage feel. This is on the second floor of the El Cortez Casino, accessible by a stairwell. These are the original rooms from 1941, I believe. As you can see, you're right on the second floor. Above, this is an extension to the Fremont Street experience. There's some bars down past the end of the experience. As we come around here, vintage drapery all around. As you can see, we're right here basically on the El Cortez marquee. You can touch history. As you can see here, a nice king bed with a vintage headboard. All of the table furnishings are this cool clear glass. The desk over here, the table here, and the side table. Very nice accent pieces around the room. This is one of the most vintage feeling rooms at the El Cortez that I've been in so far. Here we have a really cool wet bar. A couple chairs here on this side. Like I said, this is the King Suite. It's one room, but you basically get a large room and this wet bar area. So it's a very nice suite if you're going to entertain. You have a sink with your bar, the fridge over here, full bar space. You can make all kinds of beverages. Behind that you have your closet, double closet actually. The bar actually has a door to shut. This is actually a very nice party space, as well as the room. Vintage bathroom, just standard sink and vanity. Rather standard shower. Green paint. If you're ever looking for a nice vintage area to have a get together or just have a vintage party weekend in Vegas, I would definitely recommend one of the El Cortez Vintage King Suites. Affordable and very stylish.